Today, we're diving into DJI's latest and greatest payloads for the Matrice 300 drones. Don't go anywhere. For years, the Zenmuse H30 and its thermal cousin, the H30T, have been the MVPs of drone payloads. Basically, everything your fire, police, and inspection peeps need to be heroes, or catch bad guys. No judgment. But technology never sleeps, and DJI just dropped the Zenmuse H30 and H30T. Let's break it down. The H30T crams a whopping 5 gadgets into one sweet package. First up, we have a 48 megapixel wide-angle camera and a zoom camera with a mind-blowing 34 times optical zoom. That's like seeing ants arguing from a mile away. There's also a laser rangefinder that can measure distances up to 10,000 feet. And the thermal camera is a giant leap forward. It has double the resolution of all enterprise drones before it, which means you can see even the tiniest heat signature. But wait, there's more. The H30T has a brand new near-infrared spotlight. This combined with a fancy new night scene mode lets you capture clear images even in super low light. Imagine getting drone footage at night that doesn't look like a blurry mess. DJI also snuck in a few other cool features. An IR filter that lets you measure a wider range of temperatures from -68 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 3,000 degrees. Fancy video stabilization so your footage is smooth even when you're zooming in from a distance. An electronic dehazer that automatically clears up haze or rain in your zoom camera footage. A pre-record function that lets you capture up to 30 seconds of video before hitting record. And the best part? The H30 comes with all the same bells and whistles except the thermal camera. The DJI H30 Series payloads are the most valuable players for the Matrice 300 series. For more info and pricing, head over to Dronefly.com. And if you have any questions, hit up our experts. They're the real MVPs. I'm Daniel. Catch you on the next one.